In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Ford Assembly Plant. So first of all, open any browser and then just type in Ford Assembly Plant and then jobs. And once you do that, you will find a couple of options you can pick. So for example, you can just go to Indeed and then find all the Ford Assembly Plant jobs available, or you can do it through Ford itself. And then you need to click on Ford Careers. And then in here, you need to fill in a role type. So let's go ahead and click on the arrow down and then select US Professionals. And then in keywords, you can just type in assembly. And once you do that, you can just click on search jobs. And now you will find everything that is linked to assembly with Ford. And at the top, we see this option PVT supervisor at the Ohio assembly plant. So now you can just go ahead and click on apply now in here and then paste in your resume. And if you do not see your wish job in here, then you can also do it through Indeed, like I just showed you. Then you need to fill in Ford Assembly Plant jobs and then just go to Indeed instead of Ford Careers. And then you will find everything that is linked to Ford Assembly Plants in here. And then you can also apply for jobs by clicking on apply now. And then you will also be redirected to Indeed. And for this, you need to have an account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.